shot this one, Alex shot that one, and now your daddy's turn.
Yay! Yay!
There's nothing on there, that means I shot exactly where you did.
Yeah. That's me right there. That's me.
Yo creo que tú ya sabes. Ya lo usaba, ya sabes la primera vez que todo el proyecto. Con la cosita esa.
Alright, so you understand the safety rules? Fire when you're ready, and then put back on safety when you're done. Let me get the surgery in there.
Come here, Noah. Noah, come here, Noah.
Hold on, let me clear the area.
Come over here, man. Let your daddy shoot. It's dangerous, man, if you get close to him, all right?
You can see the light coming out when you look at the
Cover your ears.
My dad's gotta get right in the middle of that red thing. Aren't you shooting?
He's about to.
Kevin's good. He's steady. Look at him.
Let's go back here.
Dad, aren't you gonna shoot? What's wrong with him?
I don't know. He may be scared.
Let me see where he got it.
Sí, pero tú tienes la máquina.
Huh? No, no, right?
Se necesita la... What'd you say?
It's like this.
That was it? Do it again.
Stop, brother. Go to your Facebook again. Doing that.
The Bigfoot.
Whoa!
I had the target.
You!
Really?
He got 7.
Arriba,
He got
scope's off.
Mira.
Está allá arriba.
Ese no sabe.
Yo fui en primer lugar, en segundo lugar.
shoot waterfall.
Where Ruben hit?
Why?
Es que la cosita le baila a uno el ojo.
The
Uh-huh.
top middle of the
Es
red.
el ojo el que le baila a uno. I can still hit a person. I'm in the black.
I'm in number 2.
Esta para los oídos a Sergi. Alex,
Somebody would hold the gun to him.
you want a gun stand?
Somebody hold the gun to him.
You want a gun stand so you can put this on the...
I want a tripod.
Why do you got so many holes
Shoot that.
on your lamp, fool?
Before we got the farm, we should go for. I had the kids shoot 22 when we shoot water bottle.
Oh, really?
I had to take it to 22.
Alright, here I go.
Where you got shoot?
Tapa los oídos con Sergio. That's it.
I don't think you beat me.
As long as I beat Kevin, I won't be last. My ears hurt.
I know. My ears ring too.
You feel it move you when you shoot it?
No.
Is it like a wave? You don't feel the wave?
I don't remember. I just remember my ears ringing.
Sergi.
I feel a little deaf right now.
What? It's way off then.
Man, you're not as
You
good as me and your
clicked it too
dad.
much.
You guys are not as good as me and your dad.
We're not
Where did you shoot?
No?
Where did you shoot?
I think it's pretty good if you hit the
Above?
black.
Where?
I didn't hit the red.
Oh, I see.
I cannot believe it. Oh, no, it's nothing else.
Where did the shells go?
Oh,
Trash.
I can't believe your
I
daddy was
know.
like so close to the bullseye.
He's got
Oh my God.
Sí, acá está otro, mira.
¿Quieres disparar tú, Sergi?
Bueno, pues ya.
¿Sí? ¿Tú
Ya
qué
me lo
disparar?
jugué, lo gané.
What's that say? You said 322?
223.
223.
Ya nos quitamos la
Can
tentación.
you shoot a deer with that?
Sure.
That's kind of small, isn't it? Or
Come on, Sergio.
Ahí le dejé la muestra.
And like I said, Chrissy's brother shot like 3 deer out there with no license, but you're scared to.
Es que está la crucita.
Because if you don't
Viste que
kill
la
it, then
crucita
someone might run off and.
está bien amitadita en el rojo.
Sí.
Pero sí,
Pues yo ya lo vi, Whoa! You okay, Sergi? You pushing Kevin?
Kevin,
Oh, he kicked him.
Gente,
that's rude.
Lo que hice fue agarré aquella mesa que hice
He's
yo
okay. Don't move.
y agarré unas
yeah.
bolsas de tierra
Oh, look,
que
his arms are backwards.
llené de por acá y la puse así, el rifle. Y lo que estaba haciendo, estaba ajustando aquí. Le tiraba un balazo y luego le ajustaba para pegarle al centro. Y ya le movió.
pero bueno, yo conmigo no se movió.
Oh.
¿Quién sabe?
Tampoco conmigo.
O sea, la gente que al moverse, ya nomás tiene uno.
Is that live?
Acá hay más, mira,
It's a Dudley Moore.
porque le compré la
Where you
máquina
buy
y
this
los
from?
haga.
This store?
Yeah, it's Academy. Yeah, it's like $6 for 20.
That's it? That's not too bad.
No,
Sergi, where you going?
these are the cheap ones.
Like I said, there's ones that Chrissy's dad had like $45 for a
Ya
box.
le dimos justo al dedo.
Stop doing that
¿Sabes? Tú,
I'm documenting everything.
before we kill the people.
Let's take a look at the bullseye, so we can explain to everybody. That's your dad, Bart, me,
I
Kevin,
can't believe I was that way off.
Art.
I can't believe your dad did like right in the freaking red.
Dude, because when I was looking at the crosshairs, the X, I kept it steady at the
Let's use
red.
the table now.
And, no. You never hit the target.
Why not? We were shooting from twice as far as that away.
You have to get up high because you can't see that low. You
Okay.
know what I'm saying?
But like my Chrissy's brother and I were shooting. I mean, we were shooting like
Russell and I were shooting from over there too.
probably like
Yeah, you
twice as
looking
far. But I
at
think
movie
his scope
star.
was a little more.
But
Remember that when he
yeah.
had? I brought it. Had like
Yeah.
took a battery.
Yeah,
and had
yeah,
like a dot. Or,
yeah.
It wasn't night scope, but
We you know that ladder, the ladder that what is it, 12-foot, 10-foot ladder? We would get on top of it and then shoot the target because we would be higher up.
why are you worried about hitting though?
No, because you don't want the gun going beyond this area.
Oh, that was one thing.
I
When
mean, the bullet.
Chrissy's brother shot those ducks,
Yeah.
he shot it on top of the pond. I was thinking, like, where'd those bullets go? But it was a shotgun, so they weren't.
Yeah, no, I don't want to go beyond the dirt.
I wonder how far that thing shoots.
So
Like if you
have you
shot-
looked for the bullet in there to see how it looks like?
No, go ahead, dig in.
Like if you shot like up in the air, like how far would it really go? Like 2
Right.
miles? Or,
No, I don't know.
Well, mine should be pretty easy to find because it's right
you go
directly
outside,
behind the
you
bullseye.
go outside New Year's and
I shot it here. I shot 10 in a row. It was cool because the shells were just jumping out like like in the movies.
yeah, did you see if it jams or whatever? You know.
No, it didn't jam. Okay.
No, I'm saying for the test.
I'm recording you in 720p.
Cutting with sandals.
You want to see my cock?
What?
You want to see my cock?
No.
Don't step in my dung. I shot myself.
I told him about the website. I shot myself.
Yeah.
He was there when we had
Oh,
lunch.
that's right.
I hadn't heard of it. I haven't seen it yet.
Whatever.
Okay, here's my homepage. For the kids.